Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am going to share a quick art activity that gives artists like you and me practice with painting and fibers. I am going to paint myself in a silly salon with bits of my hair flowing in the background. You can practice using paint and fibers by trying this self-portrait activity in your own style. I have a set of skin tone tempera paint, a cup of water, a paintbrush, newspaper for my table, scissors, glue, fabric, yarn, and watercolor paper in my studio space for this activity. Begin by writing your name on the paper and paint a medium-sized oval in the center of that watercolor paper with a color that matches your skin tone. You can also add 2 small ovals on the side of the medium oval for your ears. And lastly, paint a rectangle at the bottom of the oval for your neck. Next, you can paint the shape of your hair in a color and style that matches the hairstyle you have had before, or would like to have in the future. How we style ourselves is an expression of art and design. There are many ways people style themselves. Return your paint supplies to make space for fibers. Fibers are art materials like yarn and fabric that artists can use in different ways. Carefully use your scissors to cut a trapezoid out of the fabric and glue it just below the rectangle you painted for your neck. This is going to be the cape that you might wear when you get your hair styled or cut. Whenever you add glue, remember to add a dot and not a lot. Next, cut the yarn into tiny lines and glue those around your face and body to make it look like there's hair falling from your head. These will be my final steps for now since I have to let my paint and glue dry. Set your artwork somewhere like a drying rack to dry and move on to another art activity if you've still got time. If you're really connected to this art activity, you can add extra details after some drying time. I am going to add details to my face, write a sentence, and color the background. I do hope you try this art activity. It will give you some easy practice using paint and fibers in a work of art. Try your best and share what you made with a loved one. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!